Hello guys, this is fireworks 2017. This is Ganga Yamuna. I bought this 5 for 100 rupees. As you can see, these laddies I bought for 50 rupees only. These bijli crackers I got this for 100 rupees only. This 12 star I got this for 120 rupees only. This I got for 50 rupees only. This 58. This 90. As you can see, I got this for 30 rupees only, whole pack. I got this rocket for 100 rupees only, and all this. This flower pot I got this for 280. These big stars I got these for 1000 rupees only. These two. Thank you guys. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe.